most of the audience, I think so, considers F1 as a boring sport. But trust me, when you go to an event like this and you see people enjoying every second of the race, you get introduced to the sport correctly.
So yeah, we're back at the stables for the Abu Dhabi GP race screening, and we've witnessed a really crazy race, and we've got with us a man doesn't need any introduction, Ayush Tiwari. If you could just introduce yourself, Ayush Tiwari.
Hi guys, I'm with Nareen over here. I work at a talent management company called Monkey. We manage celebrities, talents from the digital space, and that's about it.
Yep, and we'll start with the race screening. The race. Describe the race in 3 words, Ayush.
Checo Perez, Max Verstappen, WDC.
Yep, that was, I think, summed up really well. I think Max Verstappen, Checo Perez, WDC. It was a crazy teamwork. I think right from qualifying till the end of the race, it was a crazy teamwork, which I think Mercedes were caught red-handed. Do you think that Mercedes were caught red-handed?
As in while supporting, when he was giving a tow?
Yes. I think
it was needed, right? I mean, Checo, the entire season, I think so, it has been all about that teamwork.
Yep.
And that's why if you see the drivers standing also, all of that, right?
Yep.
You see them up there supporting each other at all the races. Mexico was a great example.
Yes.
Right? So, I mean, the tow qualifying was damn required for him to secure that pole position.
Yes.
And today also, the defense, I mean, it was on another level. And the time gap which got reduced because of it, I think so that's where he made the edge.
Yes.
It was damn important. And Checo Perez, always.
Yes, I think a major credit for the championship win goes to Checo Perez. I think he's too underrated. I think even end of last year he didn't have a seat, and end of this year he's played a very big role in letting Red Bull win, Max Verstappen win the World Drivers' Championship. So I think quite underrated. And Lewis Hamilton during the interview yesterday said that they didn't need a tow, they didn't need Valtteri Bottas to give a tow to Lewis Hamilton for the pole position. What are your thoughts on that?
I mean, they have been exchanging words all the time throughout the season, and towards the end it just got doubled, tripled, I think so.
Yes.
But yeah, I mean, you know, of course, who's the real king? Like Tarini also mentioned, Mercedes have a great car. They're lethal when it comes to the engine and whatever, right? All of that. And there's no doubt on the grid, they have the fastest car. So you need teamwork. You need some external support to, make that extra cut. But last lap, you saw what happened.
Yes, I think what was the highlight of the race? Was it the last lap for you as well?
100%, and Checo's defense for sure, because I think so. Last lap, of course, taking that lead made him win the championship, but the defense had to play a role. Otherwise, the time gap was brutal. 15 seconds, 16 seconds, I think so is what he covered during that entire zone. So yeah, 100%. Those two instances is where the championship, I think so, went to.
Yep, and how has the 2021 championship been for you?
To be honest, I also started watching F1 last season. I love cars, I love racing, but F1 came into my life a little later, and I regret that. But 2021 season, as I was going through all the races and learning about the history of this game, I figured that 2021 season is what, because I saw Instagram, I saw F1's Instagram, they were using a hashtag called History Update. So I was damn curious why it's being leveled up so much, right? But reading about the game, watching about the past seasons made me wonder, made me realize that this was a season, I think so, that meant a lot for both the parties, for everyone involved in the race, right, in the game. So it's been a roller coaster ride to see how the points progress, how these guys on the table progress. But at the end, I hope the deserving driver is walking away with the championship.
Yes, I think that's what exactly we saw today. I think it got a little ugly. I think in the last race, I think that's required, right? I mean, it's Lewis Hamilton, a 7-time world champion. Defending against him or beating him is not easy. I mean, you need that aggression that Max Verstappen and Red Bull has shown throughout the season. To beat him for the world championship is not that easy at all. So yeah, if you could just tell us, how did you start watching F1, and which was the first race that you watched?
To be honest, my friends really pulled me into the entire experience. They hosted a screening at the home, and that's how I discovered. And when I started following Max Verstappen, as you mentioned, the aggression and all of those qualities, right? Being someone who's he spent a lot of time, though he's too young, right? When you compare him to someone like a Hamilton, who's a legend, who's a GOAT of the game, watching him, taking away some inspiration from him, and realizing how his mind works is something that brought me really into the game, and that's why the support. I'm sure for the more seasons to come, it's going to be a ride, and Red Bull has all my support. Max Verstappen is someone who I'll always look up to, for sure.
Yeah, that's great to know. I think that's really important for the sport on a whole. I think F1 is quite underrated in India. I think it has a lot of potential for sure. We've seen the 2021 season. It's been a roller coaster ride, and I'm pretty sure we'll have hell of a 2022 season as well. So yeah, if you could just describe your race experience here at the stables.
Oh, it was insane. I've been to cricketing live screens before, but trust me when I say this, I've never seen Indian cricket fans also this hype at an event, at a venue like Stables, right? And it was a great experience to see fans cheering at every lap, because most of the audience, I think so, considers F1 as a boring sport. But trust me, when you go to an event like this and you see people enjoying every second of the race, you get introduced to the sport correctly.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
And I mean, the experience overall was damn exciting. I was on my toes for the entire time, especially during the defense again and the last lap. The environment, the atmosphere was insane. I mean, it was electrifying. And if Stables next season hosts another screening, make sure you go to the event because it's an insane experience.
Yep, a big shout out to Kasakai Mumbai for organizing the race screenings in India, across India, and a lot of other screening organizers as well. I think it's really important for creating awareness about the sport, and I think F1 is quite underrated a sport in India, and it needs a lot of awareness, and it's got a huge potential. I think it's as big as any other sport, as cricket or football, and yep, I think please do follow F1, go for the race screenings. I think you all will all enjoy and have a great time as well. So yeah, if you could just share some words of wisdom with the viewers.
F1 related, right? Of course, F1 related, like Nareen mentioned, right? Make sure you read about the sport, make sure you support. We're coming, of course, everything is opening up slowly, right? Though we are under the fear of Omicron again, a new variant, but do support live events in general. Do go to these events, take your precautions, stay safe, get vaccinated, but go to these events, support the live culture, support the FMCG culture as a whole, because that's the industry that suffered the most, right? And when you have such exciting events planned for you, you have a great host like Naren taking you through the event, right? Make sure you're present there and you give your participation.
Yep. Thanks Adan, Ayush Tiwari, for sharing your words of wisdom and sharing your thoughts about the race experience, about the race that you've witnessed at Abu Dhabi, at the race screening at Stables. Yeah, massive thank you. We'll be sharing all your details in the link description. Please do follow Ayush Tiwari. He's working at Monkey, which is a talent management company. A big thank you, Ayush, for sharing your thoughts, and hope you enjoyed your race experience and the championship, and hope you have a fantastic day as well, Ayush.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks.
Thank you.
So the thing is, Ayush is not a real fan. I'm the one who introduced him to the sport. But then he got influenced by I don't know what because he's a Red Bull fan, and I don't know how this works, but no.